Hey guys, it's Dave from Past Outdoors here. Today I'm just going to take you through our range of COBB Grill. COBB Grills developed almost a cult following, especially in sort of the boating and spearfishing community. Huge presence in New Zealand, and it's flowed into Australia quite well. And we've being one of the only dealers in Sydney, they've been a hugely popular product for us. So I'm just going to take you through what comes with a COBB Grill and what they're all a little bit about. COBB is a super portable home cooking system that you can do everything from baking bread and pizzas to just your normal little fry-ups. They all come in a nice little travel bag. And it is a dome-lidded style grill that is modular. The standard COBB will come with just a grill plate. And you can see there it's got the little gas burner and it's got the ringing there, which gives it that nice little bit of reflective heat. And they come with a huge range of accessories which people use to build them up. So in this one here, we have got the COBB Pro version, which is just their standard COBB grill basically. It's got a black base. These ones run on your Isobutane canisters, and they all come with a lid and the grilling dish. They come in a very popular bundle that has the frying dish or wok, which you can use, or just a normal like non-stick heavy duty sort of fry pan. Other accessories you can get is roasting racks, so you can put all your veggies etc. in there and just roast those. We have a rotisserie and we have a pizza stone. We don't have them here on display for you right now, but that's what you can get. The COBB comes in other versions. It comes in a deluxe stainless version, where the only difference really is this base is stainless steel. And it does come in an air one, so you can cook with a traditional sort of charcoal if you wish, which is really popular if you can't use gas. And it just gives you that sort of nice flavour throughout whatever you're cooking. They do have a new model out called the COBB Premier Plus Deluxe, which is great for caravanners because you can run it off just your normal LPG propane gas cylinder, which is a huge advantage. You don't have to use the isobutane. The isobutane is great for that cold weather though, and for if you want it to be completely portable out on a boat or just in the park. Cool thing about the COBBs is all their parts are interoperable. They've got these nifty little pot lifters here, or tray lifters, so you can just lift up the hot plates, move them, change them and clean them and what have you when you're out and about. And almost every accessory comes with one, so you're never going to lose it. You can always have a couple of spares. What I love about the COBB grill system is it is a system, and you can just start at the base and you can scale it all the way up. You can have a full pizza oven, rotisserie cooking on charcoal or your choice of gas, and you can pick and choose. It's developed quite a little. Once people go to COBB, they never go back, and the sort of customers that we have coming in are always upping the accessories, etc., and sharing all their recipes with it. So it really takes your A game to the kitchen out in the field, and if you want to do that, the COBB is for you. If you've got any questions on any of the range of our COBB, hit the comments below, we'll answer it, or hit us up by contacting us via the website, or just give the shop a call, or even better, duck in and see us and see the full range of COBB out on display at Past Outdoors. Cheers.